Hello, my name is Yuezbasioglu. I am the Product Portfolio Manager responsible for Industry Information Hub, also known as IIH. IIH is the link in your setup helping you to reduce integration efforts up to 30%. It enables you to make important decisions quickly and accurately. For this, it processes data from every type of data source, no matter it is from Siemens or other suppliers. It has one single engineering interface for all types of data and any need for data handling. It gets every type of devices upgraded, even if it's brownfield. It enables you to pre-process the data at every level, be it machine close or plant-wide. It enriches the data semantically so that the same data is usable for different types of use cases without additional effort. The setup for our demo today has line 1 and line 2. These two lines are identical and connecting one KUKA robot, one UR robot, a 7500 PLC, and a Rockwell PLC. The data collected from these multiple lines is modeled on each of these lines and aggregated at shop floor level. There we will see how to query aggregated data at shop floor level via GraphQL, which is of course possible through REST and OPC as well. To keep the showcase simple, this demo is showing energy consumption and temperature values of various motors on our production lines. Let's jump into the demo. IVD10 is my shop floor device, which is the parent one. IVD11 is my first child, representing line 1. IVD12 is my second child, representing line 2. When we look into IVD11, we have the synchronization configured. IED is synchronizing data with floor, which is my parent device. As data sources, we see S7 Plus and Ethernet IP connector connected, synchronizing multiple variables with IIH. Besides S7 Plus and Ethernet IP connector, there are several other connectors from Siemens as well as from third-party companies supported. Here you can choose respective connectors depending on the data sources you want to use in your specific use case. On the data modeling, you can go to OPC server for KUKA robot and UR robot. IIH browses and loads the address space directly. For brownfield scenarios, like legacy systems, motor energy model is created in a modeling tool like Siemens and loaded into IIH. To map the text to my data model, I switch to Assign Text to Model, navigate to the object in the OPC model, in this case, motor pump 1, I have the respective tag from the S7 Plus connector configured. Motor pump 2 is having data from Ethernet IP connector, and of course, this is the one from the Rockwell PLC. Here I have already mapped energy consumption value. To get the temperature value, I just drag and drop one of the random values from the Ethernet IP connector, just to showcase here. After this, I choose to store time series data on my local device and deploy. Once the mapping is done, you get the mapping also translated to advanced data model, which is also called as anchor model. If I want to see mapped live values, I just go to attributes and search for temperature as keyword. As you see, all the live values matching to my search temperature are shown here. If you want to see the time series data stored on my local device, I just click on the preview. It is how the graph looks like. If you want to go to IVD12, there you see the same setup as IVD11. Here I already mapped the respective variables from robots as well as from PLCs into my data model. When we switch to IVD10, line 1 and line 2 devices are already synchronized with floor level. If you go to home screen, both line 1 and line 2 are shown. Data is aggregated to floor. In the managed data, you see under OPC server, line 1 and line 2, they are both synchronized. Both of them having KUKA robot, UR robot, as well as motor energy. If you go to query data and just type here motor type, motor pump type, and energy consumption, in the knowledge graph. After having this selection, you get all the life values shown from both lines, and from both lines motor pump 1 and motor pump 2, with the energy consumption value as well as with the temperature. This is pretty much the end of my demo. That shows basically how you can integrate your shop floor data from any types of data sources and reduce the total integration effort up to 30%. Thank you.